guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 16. So today we have our annual beach day. It's a Christmas beach party. It's really fun. Your parents get you a gift each. Like if me and my brother, my mom has 2 kids, so she gets 1 gift per us. And it's really fun because you get to like hang out at the beach and go swimming. It's really fun. So yeah, we're leaving in about 5 minutes. So let's go. It's cute. So I'm going to be taking this tote bag to put everything in. Quick fit check. So my shoes are from no idea. Pants are from the Warehouse. Bikini bottoms are from I think the Warehouse as well. Top is from JJ's. Bikini top is also from the Warehouse because it's a set. Tote bag is from, I don't know, I think it's my neighbor's. But yeah, let's go.
It becomes the first time player.
Hey guys, so I've been here for a long time. I've already gone swimming and stuff, but me and Lana are planning stuff for tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas. But I'm right now tanning. I'm really excited for tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. Hey guys, so right now we're at the shops because we had to like restock on stuff. But I got this beast bar, so we're gonna try it if I can. Finally, I got it opened. This is a peanut butter cup one, so I don't know if it's good.
Any soap.
Let's go. It's really good. Well suggested, but me and Lana are planning something that's going to happen tomorrow. So.
Delicious.